If you don't know these 20 phrasal verbs, you're missing the English people actually use every day. Today, I'm going to teach you 20 of the most important phrasal verbs in English, the ones native speakers use in real conversation. And this is part 1 of a full series where I'll teach you the top 200 phrasal verbs step by step. So, if you're serious about improving your English, make sure you subscribe now because each video builds on the last one, and by the end, you'll understand English in a completely new way. Ask for. That means to request something. She asked for help. She asked for help. Back up. That means to support or move backward. He backed up his friend. He backed up his friend. Blow up. That means explode or become very angry. The bomb blew up. The bomb blew up. Break down. That means to stop working or become very emotional. My car broke down. My car broke down. Break up. That means to end a relationship. They broke up last year. They broke up last year. Bring up. That means to mention a topic. She brought up a good idea. She brought up a good idea. Call back. That means to return a phone call. I will call you back later. I will call you back later. Call off. That means cancel. They called off the meeting. They called off the meeting. Carry on. That means continue. Please carry on with your work. Please carry on with your work. Catch up. That means reach the same level. I need to catch up on my homework. I need to catch up on my homework. By the way, if this is helpful, go ahead and subscribe. This whole series is designed to help you speak English more naturally. Check in. That means register at a hotel or airport. We checked in at the hotel. We checked in at the hotel. Check out means leave a hotel or examine something. Check out this new restaurant. Check out this new restaurant. Cheer up means become happier. The joke cheered her up. The joke cheered her up. Clean up means make something clean. Please clean up the kitchen. Please clean up the kitchen. Come across means to find unexpectedly. I came across an old photo. I came across an old photo. Come back means return. She came back home late. She came back home late. Come in means enter. Come in and sit down. Come in and sit down. Come out means appear or be revealed. The truth came out. The truth came out. Come up means happen or arise. Something came up yesterday. Something came up yesterday. Cut down means reduce. He cut down on sugar. He cut down on sugar. If you want to understand real English and speak more naturally, this series is for you. I'm breaking down the 200 most important phrasal verbs step by step. So you don't feel overwhelmed, you can learn them little by little. So make sure you subscribe because the next video will build on what you learned today and you don't want to miss it. See you in part 2.